What is up, my pro design builder family? So I just want to tell you exactly what you're looking at right now. This is a active job site of a new development project. So what you're looking at with the wood is forming, and that tells you exactly the precise location of the particular slab. So those indentions are trenches, right? And those trenches will house our underground conduit as well as our plumbing. You'll see later in the video where we show you exactly where some of that stuff lands, and that stuff needs to be very precise, right? So along the sides where there is um the framing for the slabs, right, is our grade beam. And what a grade beam is designed for is to hold additional weight. So there's going to be additional rebar along that area right there, right? And it's built in a way to have that additional strength. So because this is going to be two floors, it needs to hold that additional weight. So when you hear things like beefing up the slab and making sure that it could hold a particular weight, that's what's happening there, right? Also, some of these trenches here as well are going to be structural because this is a townhome community, and there are dividing walls that are CBS block. So I'm going to take you a little further in to what's going on in the rest of the project, but I just wanted to give you a pan view of what's going on. All right, you can see right here, a big grade beam is going to be there to hold that type of weight. Let me just walk you to the other side so I can see exactly what's going on in the other parts of the job site. So there's 4 different slabs that are being worked on currently, and they're all in very different phases, right? So as we get closer here, you're going to see this underground conduit. This particular area right here is going to house our transformer, right? Those big green boxes that you see houses the electrical, and all of the home runs go to that particular area. So those slabs are there to protect that particular area as well. So here's what you're looking at with this underground plumbing, right? So now this is called a isometric. In the plans, it's called isometric drawings, right? Which shows the elevation and also the runoff for the drains coming from the ground, right? So there are main drains that are going into the drain system, and then there's also these stub ups that you're seeing, which are going to go up into the second floor. Obviously, this is a messy process, so this gets turned up. This right here is our water line, right? So our hot and our cold water line right here, right? And you'll see this throughout the project. You'll see water lines, you'll see stub ups that are going up into the second floor. You'll see also our main exhaust, which exhausts out through the roof. You're going to see all of those different stub ups that are happening here that you may not fully even recognize, but this is kind of how it's all done.